Hello, good afternoon, good morning, sir. So, I am Utsav Bhudaria. I am from MSc Data and AI. My student ID is 2434902. So, today I am showing that how Veka works and how we compare the model. So, today's my topic is the predicting profit with Veka linear regression versus random forest. So we in this project we have to compare two machine learning models, linear regression and random forest to forecast profit using the superstore data set which is already given by the professor in Veka. So let's know how this model perform and what we have learned. So from the first we have data set processing. So this is the data set, a clean data set. So in first assignment, sir have given us a data set. So we have cleaned in Power BI, which is the part of first assignment, and after this we implemented this in Vega. So this is the Vega. In this from Explorer, we have to go in Explorer, and then we have to open file here. So they have, and we have Vika Explorer. So for linear regression, we have we in this project we have taken this much only, these segments only, like segment, category, subcategory, region, discount, quantity, sales, and profit. We only need these components. That why we have taken this one, and another remove the and another all unnecessary. We have removed that component. And then for linear regression, then we go to classify. So this is the linear regression. So we have already run this. So in this linear regression, selecting the data and linear regression model mention the attribute. So this is the attribute. We have the correlation efficiency, and we have attribute selection MSFA method, no regularization. We have split data in 66% train and 34% set. And from this cross validation tenfold, so output is coefficient of sale is equal to positive and discount is equal to negative. Linear regression was used as our baseline, although easy to interpret. It had limited performance due to linear assumption. And then we go to move to random forest. So random forest is the model and all. So for random forest, we have run this the random forest model. So network is slow, that's why some it's coming. So this is our output. So in random forest, random forest, then we have 100 trees. Maximum depth is 20, and train test split is 70%, 30%. So this is all the correlation efficient means about absolute error, root mean square error, relative absolute error, root relative square error, and the total number of instances. So this is what random forest handle complex interaction better, but it performs linear regression in nearly every metric. So now we can see that model evaluation for model evaluation and metric. So linear regression, R square is equal to 0.45 and RSM equal to 195. And for random forest, it's R square is equal to 0.80 and something RMS is equivalent to 116.5. So this is the way. And now let's go to visualization. So we have first linear regression visualization. So this is the linear regression visualization, which show actually versus predicted actual versus predicted scatter plots. So scatter plot showed that random forest prediction align more closely with actual profit easily at extreme values. So this is the visuals of linear regression, and this is a visual of random forest. this is what we have. And then we if we go and again we are moved to Vega. So feature importance is now we go to feature importance. Random forest feature importance is equal to sales, discount, quantity, correlation metric, and correlation metric. And what we can say another is that sales about profit is a positive, or discount to profit is strongly negative. Briefly showed it briefly shows that we can everything in Excel also, and via in Vika also we can see that. And now if we have to have limitation, if we have to talk about limitation of work, so we have wait a minute. So this was about the random for tree random forest, and this is about the linear regression. This is the linear regression. So this is all correlation efficient, mean absolute error, root mean. So this is all the data of the linear regression which we have shown. And if we move to limitation, limitation is that the outliers affect both models, but random forest is less interpretable. So we can say that conclusion. So we move to conclusion that if we go to summarize takeaway, then random forest perform best because that in the same linear model that error bars is higher in compared to random forest. So we can see that I can see that I basically myself see that random forest is best in compared to in compared to linear regression. So you can provide practical profit forecasting. By leveraging Veka, we demonstrated how machine learning can provide practical profit forecasting. Choosing the right model depends on whether your goal is clarity or precision. So this is all I have done in my Veka project. So this is all. Thank you. Have a nice day.